flash flood warning for the following county: Hancock, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for central Hancock County in northwestern Ohio until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Findlay, Macomb, Rawson and Benton Ridge. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Hancock, Ohio. This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WXL51 listening area of northwest Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of, or existing severe weather, in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. Urgent weather message for the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee and Monroe. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 258, effective until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee and Monroe. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 258 has been issued from 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday for the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee and Monroe. Warning for nearshore waters from Lummi Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio. Open waters from Lummi Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over North Cape, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Defiance County in northwestern Ohio, Williams County in northwestern Ohio, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Eden to near Ixville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Defiance, Bryan, Montpelier, Hicksville, Edgerton, West Unity, Pioneer, Stryker, Eden, Holiday City, Edgerton in Williams County, Columbia, West Jefferson, Pulaski, Farmer, Nate, Blakesley, Evansport, Alverton, and Melbourne. This includes Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile marker 0 and 22. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in northern Indiana. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Defiance and Williams. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Marion County, Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, Hancock County in northwestern Ohio, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rawson to near West Mansfield, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Findlay, Marion, Tiffin, Fostoria, Upper Sandusky, Bluffton, Forest, Arlington, Prospect, Sycamore, LaRue, Arcadia, Rawson, Morrill, Van Loo, Waldo, New Regal, Marseille, Cary, and Nevada. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Hancock, Marion, Seneca, and Wyandotte.